For 70 years, Manning Family Children's has delivered expert care for children from across the great state of Louisiana and the Gulf South, with a steadfast mission to improve the health and well-being of all children. We have proudly served as the place where families turn for care, comfort, hope, and healing during some of their most difficult moments. With unprecedented growth over the last 5 years, today we proudly serve as the regional destination for child health, standing in the gap for our most vulnerable as we continue to care for the most children in our history. As we look towards the future with a vision to make Louisiana a national leader in child health, my buddy Peyton is going to help us take a look back at the last 5 years and reflect on just how far we've come together.
In 2020, as construction was underway for our campus expansion, we navigated the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, protecting and supporting our community during a time of great uncertainty. We opened our 51-bed behavioral health center, which serves as one of the largest and most comprehensive programs in the country. And our Thrive Kids Student Wellness Project was born with a vision to meet kids where they are by bringing health services into our schools to help all kids grow up healthy and thrive. In 2021, we celebrated the completion of our $300 million campus transformation with 230,000 square feet of new clinical care space, enabling the growth of many of our signature service lines, along with an unmatched patient and family experience. We also expanded pediatric emergency care across our community with the opening of our Metairie Emergency Room, and Ronald McDonald House relocated to our campus, providing a home away from home for even more families from across our region. Thrive Kids joined forces with Jefferson Parish Schools, allowing us to support the mental and medical health needs of more kids directly in schools. And for the first time, Newsweek named Manning Family Children's the #1 hospital in Louisiana, a ranking that has continued each year since. In 2022, we earned our first Nursing Magnet designation, a reflection of nursing excellence and the gold standard in quality care. We launched our Trauma and Grief Center with services to support children who have experienced any form of trauma or the death of a loved one. And we unveiled the inaugurational Manning Family Children's Holiday Parade, bringing joy to our city in partnership with Current Studios. In January 2023, our partnership with Our Lady of the Lake Children's Health began, with the vision to improve access to care and improve children's health outcomes across Louisiana. For the first time, we were recognized by the American College of Surgeons as a Level 2 pediatric trauma center, the only verified center serving Greater New Orleans. And Thrive Kids expanded its impact as partnerships with NOLA Public Schools and Agenda for Children began, reaching babies and children across Orleans Parish with a focus on mental health and violence prevention. In 2024, we became one of a select few programs nationally and the only in Louisiana authorized to provide curative gene therapy for sickle cell disease, a historic and life-changing moment for those living with the debilitating disease. We also announced that Manning Family Children's was selected as the home for a Seacrest Studios, made possible through the light of Ryan Seacrest Foundation as part of the Walker's Imaginarium. We began Louisiana's first pediatric emergency medicine fellowship, creating a pipeline of pediatric emergency medicine physicians in partnership with LSU. And we began a new chapter for our care center with the opening of the Morgan Ray Center for Hope, providing hope and healing for some of our most vulnerable children and families. 2025 marked a bold new chapter for kids as we proudly announced our renaming to Manning Family Children's. Our partnership with the Manning family will help us serve even more kids and move faster toward our vision of making Louisiana a national leader in child health and the well-being. This year, we also expanded care across the region, welcoming new pediatrics clinics in Houma and Thibodaux to the family. And we broke ground on Walker's Imaginarium, a first-of-its-kind space that will redefine the child healthcare experience by creating countless moments of joy and therapeutic healing. Medical history was made as our first patient began the process of gene therapy to cure his sickle cell disease, giving him a future of free pain and full of opportunity. We also opened our first Thrive Kids Community Clinic in New Orleans East, expanding important access to primary care and mental health services. And for the 5th year in a row, Newsweek affirmed Manning Family Children's as the #1 and only children's hospital in Louisiana to be ranked among the world's best.
It's incredible to reflect on these significant accomplishments and the immeasurable impact that we are making together. But we know there's still so much work to do. As we look towards the future with both urgency and hope, we will continue to run towards the problems impacting our kids and community with a vision to create a healthier future for our kids. A future where all kids have the care and support they need to thrive. With all that has been made possible throughout our first 70 years, just imagine what we can accomplish in our next 70 years. This legacy is ours, and we will write the next chapter together. Thank you.